What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be doing a very quick Christmas holiday theme tutorial. It's going to be like a simple red lip, something that anybody can do. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. So let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm going to first prime my face like I always do. And my nephews are here, so if you hear like kids running around, they're here. I think I'm gonna bring y'all in just a smidge a bit closer. I'm gonna take my Fenty foundation in the shade 345, and I think I'm gonna do a soft glam today. So that's the goal. So next I'm gonna take my Fenty concealer in the shade 300 and I'm gonna pop that up under my eyes. And then I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Conceal and put that on top of this as well. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that my brows are done, I'm gonna go ahead and blend out my concealer. And this look I'm doing today is very soft glam, so I'm not gonna do like a highlight. It's gonna be a very matte soft finish. If you want like an in-depth soft glam tutorial, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and while you're already here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me powder and bake up under my eyes. Y'all kind of already know the drill and how I get down. This look is going to be very simple. Okay, and then after that, I'm gonna take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder in C6 and sweep this off of my face and set my foundation. So I'm kind of like just killing two birds with one stone right now. I'm gonna take my Black Radiance True Complexion Powder. Bronze it up. Bronze it up. Bring some color back to that face. Okay. And actually, I'm gonna take that same bronzer that I used and use it as my crease color. And you can do this trick like anytime. Use the bronzer that you use to bronze your face in your eyes for the transition color, because it just gives it like a all around. It's very completed. It looks very, I'm trying to figure out the word. It looks very well put together. It looks complete. It looks in unison. That's what that little trick and that tip does. I'm gonna take this Morphe 3502 palette, Rich, this color here, and I'm gonna put that on top of the bronzer color that I just did to give it some dimension and some depth. And this look is going to be so simple. You can do this with any browns or anything like that you have, because this look is very brown, and then the lip is just going to give it the pop that it needs. And I'm gonna take this color here, Universal, that has hit pan. Very much has hit pan. And I'm actually gonna take some of my powder, my face powder too, and put it on my lid. So, you know you can do that, right? Just thought you guys would know. Actually, this is very warm on my eyes, so give me 1 second, I'll be right back. I'm gonna take the Through My Eyes palette by ColourPop, and I'm gonna take Sandalwood. That's the color I was like trying to get to. I'm gonna take Sandalwood and put it on top of that. There it is. That's it. Yeah. There it is. That's what I was looking for. Because sometimes the colors in the pan, once you apply it, it translates differently. So you really have to kind of be careful with stuff like that. I'm going to take this flat brush. It is my Morphe M432 brush. And I'm going to take this deep brown shade in this palette. This shade here is called Divina. And I am going to line my eyes with it. And I'm just going to stamp that along my lash line. And you can use like a black eyeliner and put that on first and then stamp this on top of it, but I feel like that's not soft enough. Like I want it to be really soft, so I just go ahead and do it this way, but it's totally up to you and how you want to do it. But this is just the method that I prefer. So I'm going to use my L'Oreal Voluminous mascara and I'm going to coat my lashes. And then I'm going to go ahead and start prepping my eyelashes. I'm going to use the Ardell Wispy Lashes. And I find that these are really hard to put on because the band isn't as thick. So the same colors that I did on my eyes, I'm going to put it on my lower lash line. Looks really good. It really opens up the eyes too. And I think I'm going to take... I have a nude pencil and I'm gonna pop it in my waterline. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna take my MAC Peaches blush and I'm gonna use that as my blush for the day. As of lately, I haven't been using a highlighter. I'm not sure why, but I haven't really been in reach for it lately. Is that weird or no? Okay. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pop on my lashes. I pray that this process is very slow and easy, well, quick and easy. Now on to the fun part, the lips. So I used 2 reds and I love this lip combo because I'm not really a big fan of red lipstick on me. I'm just not, but this combo I can live with. I'm gonna take the Dose of Colors Extra Saucy. This is so old and I've had it for a really long time. This is from one of their holiday collections, and so I kind of line my lips with that, and then I take the Fenty Beauty Uncensored red lipstick. I love this lipstick, and I pop it in the middle. Now I'm gonna take my Mario Badescu Aloe Cucumber and Green Tea Setting Spray, and I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. And I'm going to change clothes and I'll be right back. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was very quick and simple. this look can be used for every day, and the pop of red lip just make it perfect for the holidays. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you have a Merry Christmas and a safe holiday. Bye.